Welcome to our tutorial about the offset command. Let's start by selecting the offset tool with a left click. Next thing to do is specify the distance of the offset. Let's enter 1 unit in the command line and press enter. Next step, select the object to offset. Let's select this arc. And lastly, click in the drawing area to specify the offset direction, and here is our offset entity. So these are the steps. The tool remains active, and each subsequent left click places another offset of the original geometry at the distance we entered earlier. The tool remains active even though I've selected new geometry, the rectangle, and now the circle. Let's choose the line now. The offset distance remains the same, 1 unit. After I select an object, instead of left-clicking in the drawing area to specify the offset direction, I can right-click and select Multiple. Each left click repeats the offset. To exit multiple mode, right-click and select Enter. And to exit the offset command, you need to right-click and select Enter again, or press Escape on your keyboard, type Exit on the command line, etc. Let's activate the offset command again and check out a few more options. This time I'm going to right-click and select Through. Next, I'm going to select the objects I'd like to offset. This line. I want to select the endpoint of this line, but let me toggle snap mode on first. And let's select the endpoint. And here's my offset. Escape to exit the tool. Let's activate the offset command again. This time we'll right-click and select Erase. The command line prompts us, erase source object after offsetting, yes or no. Let's type Y for yes and press Enter. Specify the offset distance next, let's say 1 unit, enter. Lastly, I'll select the object to offset and specify the direction, this arc, in this direction, and the source object is erased. Let's do the rectangle now. The source rectangle is removed. And let's press Escape to exit the tool. This concludes our tutorial about the offset command.